right, today we're gonna bring a 52-inch blade fan. We're gonna set this up today and see how well it works. Now, out of the box, this is pretty much what you get. Supports for the fan, magnet base. The top, this says actually make sure you have a strong back, LED light, enough screws, and the components as required. All the fan blades, they come in multiple colors. This one has two sides. You could switch it to the wood side or to the silver side. So either or. Nice, beautiful fan. We're going to put this to use today. I like that it comes with remote control. Battery's not included. It comes with the actual base. The control module is right here that goes into the system. And basic controllers, 1 hour to 6 hours, fan speeds and so forth, and light changes. There it is. All right, here's the actual final result. I got it set up already. Looks beautiful. I like that how elegant it is. LED light, it's underneath. All right, on the controller is very simple. You got your on and off on the light, all your K's, your night light, your different modes on the actual light for dimming, and then you got 1 through 6 and fan rotation and fan off. All right, we're gonna turn on the fan. If you guys can see, number 1, we're gonna do all the way 6 to see the speeds on it, and it's running really good. I can feel it all the way where I am right now. Quality is really good. All right, the fan, it's easy to control here. You got your lumens here, your night light if you want to dim it down just like I did right now, your setups, your plus and minus, your different kind of keys, which is the lumens that you have to, and then you have level 1, look at that, level 1 all the way to level 6. All right, and then you can put 2 hours wave fan. You can feel that right now. So let me go a little faster. That's on 6 right now. And it's gonna start picking up the motor even stronger. So I like how it works. It gives it a lot of power. If you guys can see that, I feel it everywhere. You could do it flush if you want, but this is on level 1 and I'm getting a lot of air around me. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.